We were like straight up in the middle of the road. I don't know what it is, but they only plowed that like one lane. Not even.
Behind me.
Which one? The one that's riding your ass?
Right
Oh
there.
yeah, dude. Ooh. Alright, slow down, get in the right lane too. Because you have to get over to the right lane because you can only go straight in the right lane here. Alright. Alright.
That's like 5 miles per hour. I'm trying to brake.
That is. I hope that's just the ice.
No, that's the ABS.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, I think ice would make that noise. It's fucking weird. Alright.